Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to upload and send a file on the WeTransfer application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should go to your home page and tap on this plus icon down below. After that, select either the camera option if you want to take a picture with your phone, or the photo or video library button to select a picture or video from your gallery. Or you can also tap on the browse icon to select a file from your documents. If you tap on the camera button, you should allow the app to have access to your camera. Then take a picture with your phone. Click on use photo down below in the right side corner of the screen. As you can see, the file is being uploaded, so you should wait a few seconds and tap on the next button down below. After that, type in the email address to which you want to send this document. Here you can find the title, you can add the message. You can set the expiration date and add a password if you are a premium member of the app, and tap on the transfer button down below. As you can see, it's being transferred now to that email address that you have typed in. In a few seconds it will be done. As you can see, it has been sent successfully. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.